Hello everyone, I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. This one is actually a long-awaited YouTube video. Ever since I made a video of the Air Jordan 1 Flyknit breads, somebody asked me if I was going to grab a pair of Royals, and guess what? I finally did. Not only did I grab a pair of Royal Flyknit ones, but I grabbed them from the outlet mall. And they came to 160 Canadian dollars. Actually, that's not even true. They were cheaper than that. They were actually labeled at 140 Canadian dollars. Wait, that's not true either. There was another 30% off. So it came to like $110 after tax. And that's a pretty crazy deal. Flyknit ones, Royals. I'm pretty sure someone's tried these on before, sadly. But there's not much I can do about that. All the laces are open. But I can't hate. Still a pretty fly shoe. And let me just fix up this exposure here. Everything is looking pretty good. These are the Flyknit Royals. That black stitching goes through the Nike sign. One of the first times I saw the other pair of these, I got really concerned when I saw that stitching. I thought it was a defect, but it's supposed to be there. These are pretty fly. I'm gonna loosen them up and throw them on like usual. And I did pick these up at the outlet mall. Sadly, somebody did try them on. They're missing the little padding that's inside the shoes normally. But honestly, I'm pretty certain they'd pass for brand new because I don't think like anything's wrong with them at all. I'm just kind of sad that there's no stuffing for these sneakers in the box. That would have made this a much better pickup. There's not much I can do about that though, so I'm gonna throw these on here. That took a second. These are a pretty fly colorway, you know? I think the bread ones are much nicer. I used to think they were way nicer, the Flyknit bread ones, but these are kind of most definitely making their way up the rankings. At least my rankings, that is. So these are the Flyknit ones on foot. I got these in the outlet mall, so they look even better in my eyes. Pretty fly. In my opinion, the bread Flyknit ones are better. But there's not much else I can say about these other than the fact that I finally picked them up. And I got these at the outlet mall. They're pretty fly on foot. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, like the sneakers, like the fact that I can grab heat from the outlet mall with ease, then subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.